Welcome back, students. Today, we're going to learn how to write the alphabet, both in capital and small letters. But before we begin, make sure you have your crayons, markers, or pencils ready, as we're going to have some hands-on fun. Let's start with the letter D. It looks like this in capital, a big D. And in small letter, it's a little d. To write the capital letter D, follow 4 simple steps. 1. Start at the top of the paper, just below the first line. 2. Draw a straight line downward till the third line, like a tall stick. 3. Next, make a half circle shape by starting at the top of the line and curving it to the right, then back up to meet bottom of the line you started from. 4. Lift the pencil. To write the small letter D, 1. Start at the top of the paper, just below the line. 2. Make a small curve to the left, like a backward C. 3. Extend a straight vertical line downward from the curve, similar to a stem. 4. Connect the bottom of the stem with a small curve, like a half circle, to the right. 5. Lift the pencil. Great! You have successfully learned how to write alphabet D, both in small and capital letters. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in learning. Until next time, keep shining and happy learning!